Right. You all know the video title, but it's right over here. Yeah. Welcome to my new series that I started with the Dreyfus Hudson. I'm gonna open this. Ooh. Come on. Thank you. And as you can already see, look at the box. New York Central coaches. I bought 5 of these. This is an eBay haul, pretty much. There we go. Oh, it's starting to get easier now. There we go. And there we go. Let me get the side. Sorry if you can't see anything very much. Alright, well, let's see if I can open this. Ow. Secured with tape pretty well. There we go, there's one side. I think I might do this way. Don't ever cut towards you. There we go. That's the other. Now let's see if it'll open. First, we'll set the box down right here. Oh no! No! Oh no, I messed the layout up. Oh no. I'll fix it in a minute. Yep, okay. There we go, okay. Oh, look! More peanuts. Peanuts that you cannot eat. I'm gonna make a mess again, like I did with the Dreyfus Hudson. Right. I'm gonna fix the layout real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I got hooked up on the Lego tripod. Now let's take out one of the coaches. Let's see, one of them, I think. Is there 2 of them here? I don't know. Yep, there is 2 of them. Okay. So, let's see what this one is. Aha! United States Mail Railway Post Office coach. There's one of them. It's a pretty decent coach. And yes, they do have horn hook couplers. I did also mention that one of these coaches did have a broken coupler. So, for the sake of classics like the Dreyfus Hudson, I will replace a horn hook coupler on it. Or I will put a new horn hook coupler on it. So there's one. Put the bubble wrap aside. Now let's see what the other one is. If I can get it. There it is. Ooh, this one's longer. Ah, this is the rare one. Manhattan Island observation coach. Oh, this one's empty. Yeah, just put a hair on there. There we go. Yeah, this coach is pretty rare to get. That's what I heard. Manhattan Island. The observation coach. Yeah. Too bad these coaches don't have interior in them. So, if you guys know where I can get interior for these coaches, please let me know. I would love to put interior in these. I really, really would. Okay. Put that there. Now let's get these out of the way. Okay. Alright, this one probably only has one. Yep, it does. Here we go. Let's see what this coach is. Cascade Valley. Oh, okay. This one's a pretty good coach too. Cascade Valley. Yeah, I think all of these coaches don't have interiors in them. All right. Yeah, here's the Cascade Valley. I got some new coaches because I kind of gotten tired of having my trains holding the same coaches over and over again. Does it get boring? Guess this one only has one in it. Yes, it does. It's another long one too. What's this one? Another Cascade Valley. So, I have 2 Cascade Valleys? Oh. That's weird. So this one has the broken horn hook coupler. Yeah. I had no I had no idea it was going to be 2 Cascade Valley coaches. All right, so that's 4. So that's one more. And it's the baggage car. Yes, it is. Yeah, baggage car. Pretty good coach. Oh. You gotta be careful with the trucks because they can swing out pretty far. Look at that. That's a Rivarossi for you. Alright. So that's it. That's all 5 coaches unboxed. I'm gonna get this out of the way. And we'll put the coaches on the tracks. Alright, I got the box out of the way. All the coaches are just out of shot. You can probably just see one. So let's start with the Manhattan Island Rare Observation Coach. This is a pretty long coach one I'm used to. Oh, they squeak very badly. I'm gonna have to oil these. Oof. Alright, what's next? Cascade Valley. One of the Cascade Valleys. Yeah, these coaches squeak very badly. I'm gonna have to oil these soon. Okay. Post office coach. Oh, one of the trucks swung the wrong way. There we go. Now the baggage coach. Oh. Couplings didn't. There we go. Alright. So this coach I'm gonna maybe leave out for a little bit until I replace the coupler, sorry. But yeah. I think I might do a video on it. Not sure. Might. Yeah, I think I might keep this coach or might sell it eventually. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Maybe I should keep it. Maybe I should. I would have 9 coaches to complete the set, and maybe one day, if I'm lucky, I might get one more. So, yeah. Oh, at least I got these 4. So I got those 4, plus an extra one I pretty much don't need. But yeah, so pretty much I got 4 more to go. Alright, so now it's time for the star of the 20th Century Limited to come out of her bed. Come on, baby girl. Time to haul your new coaches. Or maybe he's called the baby 20th Century Limited. Who knows? Alright, let's see if she's coupled. Yes, she is. Alright. Well, I don't know if she's still coupled that time since she went in reverse. Alright, but anyways, let's do this. There she goes, hauling her new coaches. Look at her go. Look at that. I think she likes them. What do you guys think? I think she really likes them. I think you can just about hear one of them squeaking. I can certainly hear it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Yeah. The problem, I have to put some oil in them so that way they run smoother. That's what I'll do once I, maybe after this video gets uploaded. And of course, I probably might have to replace the wheels eventually, since that the wheels are plastic. Yeah. And also, do let me know where I can find interiors for these coaches, because again, I would love to put interior in them. Because for some reason, I'm not a massive fan of hollow coaches. Well, not all the coaches are gonna have interior in them, like the baggage car and maybe one of the sleepers I might get. But just a few coaches that yeah. If you guys know anything, please let me know. No, the coaches stop sweeping now. Well, everybody, that'll just about wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna have fun with my new coaches since I'm now growing the 20th Century Limited, and that might be a mini series now since I got these coaches in a haul. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this spare coach that I pretty much don't need. It's the same Cascade Valley coach, just like this one is. So yeah. So I have 4 more coaches to go. So yeah, I might keep it. Like I said, I don't know. Not sure yet. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. Since I now have 4 more coaches to go, like I just said. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.